aloha, kiara mabuhay. Hello, Tixers, hello world. Hi, my name is Franz Gabriel, and today I am joined once again with Faith. With Faith. Bonjour, aloha, kiara mabuhay. Hello, Tixers, hello world. Hi, my name is Franz Gabriel, and I am joined once again with my cousin Faith.
Hi, I'm back again.
Our last challenge, the Bean Boozled Challenge, was one of the worst challenges, but today we are going to be doing a more pleasant challenge. We are going to be doing the Pocky and Kitkat blindfolded taste testing challenge. Okay? Welcome to my channel, welcome to Luscious Taste, homemade by Franz. Blindfolds on! The first, Pocky. Okay. Okay.
It smells mint.
The crockery. Oh. Oh, I think I know this. Okay. This tastes like artificial.
Wow.
3, 2, 1. Banana.
Oh yeah, banana.
Banana and chocolate. I know the taste of artificial.
Banana and chocolate.
I still get the whole point for that. I know this. I know the taste of artificial banana because I have baked with artificial banana before. I won. Okay. Next, Pocky. 1 point for me, 0 for her. Oh, I know this one.
3, 2, 1.
Matcha. Other people love matcha. My opinion, I don't like it. I love it. But this one doesn't taste good. Okay, that's Pocky. We both got, she has 1 point, I have 2 points. Okay, let's take a bite. Oh, yeah, yeah, okay. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, dark chocolate. If I say dark chocolate, I get an extra half point.
No! It's just chocolate, so no. No points for you. I get points.
Hey, I still said chocolate. So
No! You said dark chocolate.
Okay. Oh wait,
It smells
Ooh.
big. It smells big. It smells
Oh, I think I know this one.
It smells like
I think I
it's
know.
big, it's big, yeah, it's big.
I know which one.
Tastes like perfume.
Yes. Okay, 3, 2, 1, practice. Yeah. It's mixed berry. Yeah, it's good. Okay, that was actually a really good one. It's like mixed berry with like a cranberry.
It's a punch of
raspberry.
perfume. It's a punch of perfume.
Okay, let's bring on the next one. It smells good. Oh, yeah, I know this one.
I know this one.
3, 2, 1, strawberry! So I currently have 5 points and you have 4 points. I'm winning.
Okay.
I'm super excited.
Next.
Last one.
Oh yes, it's the flavor of cookies.
Oh, I know this one. Okay, 3,
Wait! 3, 2, 1.
pistachio! Yep.
It's big because
This is good.
I like it.
Yeah, I like pistachio. Oh!
The pistachio part is this big.
Yeah!
This big.
That's good.
Biscuit.
That's good, I like that. Let's get the next one. This is the last Pocky. Oh, I know this one already. Oh, yep, I know. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Cookies and cream!
Oh,
Wait. But we still have Kitkat, so it's okay. Okay, 7. I have 7. You have 6. Let's put on our blanket.
Oh my god, if I lose in the Kitkat one, oh my god.
What's your favorite chocolate? Kitkat?
I was like nothing, and then I realized you can see it.
I'd say Snickers. I love anything with caramel. Or Mars.
Mine is, yeah, Mars and Kitkat. So what are we going to guess?
This tastes weird. Kind of tastes like matcha. 3, 2, 1, matcha!
You're not supposed to say it. I was going to say vanilla.
This is not that good, I don't know. So, we both got the point for that. Currently the score is 8-7. Okay?
That's
Take
so
another cup.
strong.
I just don't like matcha. Do you like matcha?
I tasted matcha one time. No, I don't.
Oh, easy. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Dark chocolate.
Okay. You both got dark chocolate. 9. Okay. 9
to
to 8. The bites is going to be easy.
This is the bite side.
3, 2, 1. Bites. Let's go.
This is the bite one.
Okay. It just tastes like a Kitkat.
Only round.
Yeah. So, we currently have 10 to... Ooh, I know this one. I know the smell. This is so good. It smells so good.
It smells like popcorn.
That's what's good. Okay. 3,
They have popcorn.
yeah. 3, 2, 1. Popcorn.
Smells
It literally smells like popcorn. I don't know how they made this. It actually smells like popcorn.
Tastes like popcorn with chocolate.
Yeah.
That is my favorite.
Yeah. So it's like straight up popcorn. A nice like kick to it. It's like kind of salty, kind of sweet. Like it has a nice balance.
I love that they put chocolate first and on a popcorn and then just like grind it up and put chocolate again.
Yeah, it was really good. Okay.
Next please.
Ooh, it's big.
It smells like popcorn.
Yeah. Oh, I know why. Okay.
Okay, go.
3,
Vanilla.
2, 1. White chocolate or gold because it's like caramel.
So what's your answer?
I said white chocolate. I think the current score is 12 to 11. I just know that your one scored lower than me,
Yeah.
so I'm winning. Okay, this is a big one. Yeah. 3,
Ah,
2,
wait! Chocolate.
original.
Chocolate.
Oh wait, yeah, it's called chunky. I said original. And you get half points,
Huh?
and I get half points.
Why?
Because it's normal. There's no other flavor with it.
I
Point.
get the point. Well done.
Let's try one Pocky and one Kitkat, and whoever guesses it first, no, try one more Pocky as the tiebreaker. Give it to my mom. Got it! Strawberry! Strawberry! No!
I don't know this.
You don't know? I think we should do another one.
Can I cookies and cream?
Let's try one more. Oh, it does better. Okay, I know this one. That's it! That's why we should do like a speed round.
Ah.
I can't taste it! Yeah. Okay. Alright. Banana chocolate. Yeah! Yeah, banana chocolate. Come on!
Why did I say strawberry?
The final tally up score is 13 to 12. Sheena! What's so good? So that's all for today, tasters. Thank you for watching. You can follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page at homemadebyfranz, and you can get any of my written recipes at www.homemadebyfranz.com. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the tiny bell icon to receive notifications of my videos every week. Be positive, share love. Thank you for watching Luscious Taste, Homemade by Franz.